Why is understanding personal finance so crucial in today's world? It's more than just dollars and cents. It's about securing your future, realizing dreams, and gaining peace of mind. It's about mastering your personal finance, specifically your net worth. In this video, we'll be exploring how to master your net worth at every age. First, let's understand what net worth is. Picture it like a financial snapshot, a single frame from the ongoing movie of your financial life. It's a simple calculation, really. You begin by adding up all your assets. These are things you own that have value. This includes tangible assets like your home, car, or other properties, as well as financial assets like your savings account, retirement fund, and investments in stocks or bonds. Now, on the other side of the equation, we have liabilities. These are all the debts you owe, such as credit card balances, student loans, mortgages, or any other personal loans. The difference between your total assets and your total liabilities gives you your net worth. A positive net worth indicates that your assets exceed your liabilities, while a negative one means you owe more than you own. So in simple terms, your net worth is what you own minus what you owe. Now, let's talk about net worth for those under 35. You might encounter financial hurdles like student loans or starting your first job, but don't fret. This is the time to lay the cornerstone of your financial future by saving, investing, and learning to manage debt. At this age, the focus should be on building a strong financial foundation. Moving on to the age group of 35 to 44. In this stage, financial goals start to take shape. Homeownership becomes a reality for many, and family planning influences financial strategies. This is a decisive period where strategic financial decisions can set the trajectory for future wealth. This is a crucial time for making strategic financial decisions. Let's now dive into the financial landscape for those aged 45 to 54. This is the time when many hit their peak earning years, presenting an opportunity for significant wealth accumulation. It's also the perfect time to refine retirement planning and fine-tune investment strategies. These are the years to maximize wealth accumulation. As we move into the 55 to 65 age bracket, the focus shifts towards retirement. It's crucial to fine-tune asset allocation and risk management strategies. Balancing investments to ensure stability becomes a priority. After all, it's about securing your golden years ahead. This is the time to prepare for a smooth transition into retirement. What about those who are 75 and beyond? At this golden age, financial stability is paramount. It's less about accumulation and more about preservation. Estate planning becomes vital, ensuring your hard-earned wealth benefits the next generation. At this stage, financial stability and legacy planning take center stage. So, how can you increase your net worth regardless of your age? Well, let's delve into some practical strategies that can help you do just that. Firstly, we can't stress enough the importance of budgeting. It's the cornerstone of personal finance and is essentially a plan for your money. It's about understanding your income, your expenses, and ensuring that you're not spending more than you're earning. This way you can save and invest more, thereby increasing your net worth over time. Next, let's talk about investing. It's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Now, investing might seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. You can start with low-risk investments, such as bonds or high-interest savings accounts. As you become more comfortable, you can venture into stocks, real estate, or even start your own business. The key is to diversify your portfolio to spread the risk and increase the potential for returns. Another crucial strategy is to reduce your debt. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can be a significant drain on your net worth, so it's essential to prioritize paying off these debts. This might involve creating a debt repayment plan, consolidating your debts, or negotiating lower interest rates. As you reduce your liabilities, your net worth naturally increases. Additionally, consider increasing your income streams. This can be achieved by asking for a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or investing in your education to qualify for higher-paying jobs. More income means more money to save, invest, and use to pay off debt. Lastly, never underestimate the power of time. The earlier you start implementing these strategies, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small amounts invested early can grow into substantial sums over time. In conclusion, increasing your net worth involves a combination of budgeting wisely, investing strategically, reducing debt, and boosting income. It's a lifelong journey, and while it may seem daunting at first, remember that every little step counts. With consistency and patience, you'll see your net worth grow. Remember, increasing your net worth is a marathon, not a sprint. To wrap things up, we've journeyed through the stages of life, looking at how our net worth evolves and changes. Starting under the age of 35, we saw the importance of laying a strong financial foundation and overcoming early challenges. Between the ages of 35 and 44, we learned about financial goals, home ownership, and family planning. This is a stage when many people start to see significant growth in their net worth. From 45 to 54, we discussed peak earning years and the golden opportunity for wealth accumulation, while also emphasizing the importance of retirement planning and smart investments. Moving into the age bracket of 55 to 65, we highlighted the transition towards retirement, stressing the significance of astute asset allocation and risk management. And for those 75 and beyond, we underscored the importance of ensuring financial stability and the need for thoughtful estate planning. Throughout each stage, we've given you strategies to increase your net worth, from budgeting and investing to reducing debt. Remember, it's never too late to start making changes. Assess your financial situation, take these actionable steps, and watch your net worth grow over time. We hope this video helps you on your journey to financial mastery. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.